This device will turn your regular bike into an electric bike in just 1 minute. Imagine effortlessly gliding up steep hills and cruising through your favorite trails with the push of a button. The PikaBoost 2 is an e-bike conversion kit that installs in under a minute and fits most bike models and tire sizes. With its powerful 500-watt motor, hill climbing becomes easy, giving you a strong and smooth ride, whether you're commuting through the city or exploring country roads. Plus, it offers up to 96 kilometers of range on a single charge, so you can take longer trips without worry. The smart AAR 2.0 technology adapts to your riding style, delivering personalized power assistance. It also automatically adjusts to comply with local speed regulations, keeping your ride safe and legal. You can choose from 4 riding modes to match your needs. Workout mode for extra resistance and a tougher workout. Assistance mode for smart power support. Free cruise mode to maintain a steady speed without pedaling, and eco mode to conserve battery on steep climbs. The regenerative braking system makes your ride even more efficient by recovering energy and boosting safety.